What is Git Clone?
Git Clone is a command that lets you create a complete copy of a remote repository, such as one hosted on GitHub, onto your local computer. This includes all the project files, commit history, and branches, giving you access to the entire codebase for editing or collaboration.
Why clone a repository?
Cloning a repository allows you to work on projects locally, experiment safely with code, and contribute to open-source software. It's the first step for developers who want to study, modify, or help improve an existing project directly from their own machine.
How to use Git Clone?
To clone a repository, you'll need the repository URL. Open your terminal or command prompt, navigate to the folder where you want the project, and type Git Clone repository URL. Replace repository URL with the actual link from GitHub or another Git provider. Press Enter to start the process.
What happens during cloning?
When you run Git Clone, Git downloads all the files, commit history, and branches from the remote repository. You end up with a new folder containing everything needed to build, test, or develop the project locally, just as if you were the original author.
Next steps after cloning.
Once you've cloned a repository, you can explore the code, make changes, or create new branches. If you want to share your changes, you'll typically use Git commands like add, commit, and push to send updates back to the remote repository.